Alright, welcome back 8th grade LCMS science students. So we have another thermal energy transfer phenomenon here for you. So as you can see, we have 4 jars here. The blue jars are ice cold and the red jars are scalding hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you make a prediction on what do you think is going to happen when I remove this separator between the two of them. So if you haven't noticed, this one has the cold jar on top and the hot jar on bottom, while this one over here has the hot jar on top and the cold jar on bottom. So as I pull these out, I'm kind of curious what you think is going to happen. So go and make your predictions. I'm going to go ahead and start at, actually let's do this one first. So this one has the red hot, the scalding water on top. I'm going to go ahead and try and pour this, or pull this divider out while trying to keep it right where it's at. Alright. As you can see, the red is still mostly on top and the blue is still mostly on bottom. There is a little bit of mixing going on, but not a whole lot. Now we're going to do the same thing over here. So do you think it's going to have the same reaction where the cold stays on top and the red stays on bottom? Or do you think they're going to mix a little bit quicker? Go and make predictions. So I'm going to go ahead and move this divider. And as you can see, it looks like the cold dropped down right almost immediately while the warm one started rising. So if you look at the 2 jars right now, this one doesn't look a whole lot different than it did when it started. And this one, they're both purple. So can you explain to me why that is?